Hi, this is Dr. Green. We're working on Web Assigned Homework 8 and problem number 10. So in this problem, a researcher is trying to determine if there is a relationship between gender and handedness, whether a person's left or right-handed. So that's telling us that we want to do a test for independence. And here is the data here. So we got male and female. We're going to code a male as a 1, female as a 2, and it doesn't matter which is which as long as you get the table information in the right cells. And then we've got left-handed people and right-handed. We'll code a left hand as a 1 and the right hand as a 2. And then our null hypothesis is going to be that gender and handedness are not related, that they're independent. Alternative is gender and handedness are related, that they are dependent. So they say conduct a chi-square test for independence at the 0.05 level, and we're rounding to 2 decimal places. So we need a chi-squared test statistic there, and then we need to know if we're going to accept or reject. So again, I'm going to use SPSS to do this. So I've already coded the data in. Let me show you what that looks like. So here is the data. We've got 2 categorical variables, gender and handedness. And again, the 1 is male and 2 is female. And then 1 is left hand and 2 is right-handed. So we coded as 1 1 2 2 and then 1 2 1 2, and that'll give us all the possibilities. So for example, when gender is 1 and handedness is 1, we've got a count of 8. So that's male and left-handed, count of 8. And then male 1 and right-handed 2, got a count of 3. So 1 and 2 gives us a count of 3. And then for the females, female and right-handed had a count of 16. So female is 2, left-handed is 1 and a count of 16, so 2 and 1. And then the last one was 2 and 2, and that's got a count of 33. So 2, 2, and a count of 33. So that's our information. So then what we want to do then is we have to tell it what to use for the counts here. So we have to do data and then weight cases down at the very bottom off the screen, and tell it to use the counts for problem 10 to weight our cases. Click OK. Go back to your data, and then we do analyze, descriptive, and crosstabs. Now I got to move our row and column variables over. So remember that the gender, that was our row, and then left or right-handed, that was our column. So we move those over. Click on the statistics button, and then make sure chi-square is checked. If it is, click continue, and then click OK. So here's our cross-tabulation table recreated, and then here's the chi-squared statistics recreated, and let's bring those tables back over. So here I brought the data tables back over. They first asked for our chi-squared statistic, which is right here, 6.011. They want 2 decimal places, so 6.01. And notice that our cross-tabulation table here is all the same. And then state the decision to retain or reject. So again, we're looking at our two-sided significance here, and it is 0.014. That's a p-value, and that is less than 0.05. So we are going to reject the null hypothesis. And again, your SPSS steps are right here below the problem.